kids, welcome to my channel.
Spinach names. Spinacia oleracea, Sesbania grandiflora, mint, tropical amarnath, Amaranthus arietes, Chinese spinach, spinach, drumstick leaves, sessile jewweed, dwarf copper leaf, Gotucola centella asiatica, Cardiospermum halicacabum, sorrel leaves, fenugreek leaves, black, nightshade garden nightshade, Solnum trilobatum, coriander leaves, curry leaves, spring onion, Cissus quadrangularis, mustard greens, Eclipta alba, purslane.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and feel free to give me likes and comments.